Are you guys inside already?
Are they by the big bell?
Are you?
You see a big
You're by the
bell.
elephants? We're by the big. We're by the big.
We're at the
bell.
front.
In the front. Are you guys inside already? Like in the courtyard?
No, I don't see their shoes.
She's going inside. Turn. Go in there then.
Are you there?
Ngồi bên tôi Chiang Mai. Tụi nó about to watch Chiang Man. The elephant. You know who watch Chiang Man? Cool, you know. And I'm in jeans, guys.
Yeah, you're crazy.
Trust me, I'm in jeans. See? I'm in jeans.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you and me together. Don't let me lose hope.
What?
That was $1.63.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah, she knew how to do it. He was like,
I'm like, that's crazy that you do, y'all.
what's that?
Shoot.
It's like the cheapest Uber.
Now, why would you walk
Right?
for a buck?
$1.93.
Why would you walk?
She was
She didn't
quiet.
talk.
She did. Oh, he talked like crazy.
Okay, can I take a picture
Wow,
of you guys?
Dad, this
You
is
know what he
beautiful.
asked us? He was like, "Wait, you guys are American, but you speak Hmong," and we're like, "What?"
We go now?
Yeah, we're walking out.
Dad, you wore the wrong shoes today.
It's okay.
I know. We did.
Mapito Shelu Chiang Mai Want. We're done. Now we're gonna walk up the hill a little bit.
Đó, thìไปkia chỉ thóp bằng mặt bay đó.
Daddy, you have to leave. We don't know what we're going.
Just go straight. We're just going straight. No.
We're good.
No, just down no.
ไม่ต้องไปอ่ะไม่ไปอ่ะ
Go.
no ไม่ไปไม่ไป no ไม่ไป
Oh, okay.
Still need some deep fried stuff.
I'll go 9.3%.
What? That guy is there? I mean, Ash? There's Ash walking in front of me. Sorry for the shaking, I'm not doing my... Where are we going?
That way.
Okay. What?
Do not drink alcohol. No bunch. Real or the fake? I
He
think
charge
they're
you
real.
$1, you know?
The fake.
He charge you $1?
fire. No, that's fire noodles.
Guys, look, it's Bubbles cake. Chocolate.
Give me a second. No, I got it.
You want a foot massage, Ash?
No.
These guys are known for the foot massage.
Foot? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're look at that right over there, the ward, Ash. Yeah,
We're here?
yeah, Lily Tai, famous.
Really?
Yeah, right there, award.
Okay, then maybe Mom and I will just stay here. You guys can go. You walk.
Yeah, we're just gonna stay here. We're gonna get an Uber to pick us up here.
Okay.
Where are we going now, Dad?
There's a papaya salad place here. Someone look it up. It was I had it a while ago.
Starbucks.
Look it up, boys.
Pull up your Google map and do a papaya. It's completely dark. You can see.
Sorry.
Benjamin.
Asher spray. Wash up a couple more chocolate good job. Amen. I did.
It's still a little spicy.
Cheetos is spicy.
Ito na po lang. It's on TripAdvisor.
It's a hot Cheeto
For
online. That's what
Thai
I
food,
like.
authentic Thai food. So
Yeah, these are just eyeballs.
this is what it looks like inside. There's not much going on inside, but rated pretty good, right, Cody? Yeah. This is very good. Simple but very good.
Yeah. See.
Simple but very good, right, Ash?
I think wait until they bring you the crispy skin. Eat it with it.
Ito na Lunai Bazaar. There's Key over there. And Kid's mom. Ashley's over there too. Cody and Kat's right there. They're looking for some food over there. We're gonna have this. Everything. For Chipoa, ba. That's not a lot. That's what I want. Right there. More Cody, Cody, time out. Take two, Cody.
You want rice? You want rice with your tom yum? Okay. เอาข้าว1 จานด้วยข้าวเปล่า
Cody, có chỉ bao là thay là.
Chỉ có.
No?
Tại nó do cổng đô la thế nè. That's it. Chỉ nêu tay.
Wow. What's that fruit and jelly? Yeah, what's that fruit and jelly? The 50 baht.
Where'd you go, Ash?
Yeah. What is
Where
that?
did you go?
Around?
I thought you weren't supposed to leave here.
Where did you go?
I just went right there.
What's there?
Well, it's like an assortment. Oh, is that rolled?
Yeah?
Did it look good?
Take a picture of it? Yeah.
Does it taste good?
Yeah.
You want that instead?
No, I need something to drink.
There's some sugar over there.
What did you say that one was? Go give me one of those. I don't care. What you just pick.
Yeah, it's 50. This is 500. I don't want her to break big bro.
Cody's getting himself some boba drink right there. I'm gonna get that one right there. Right, Cody?
What, Dad?
What are you doing?
I'm looking at the thing, so
That's what Mom ordered right there. That looks really good. That's good.
Well, you're kind of slow.
I should have got yours.
I'm getting it.
Okay, you're gonna have to eat that.
老吃大老吃我的家。
We can. Oh, that's kind of. Where did Ash go?
It's for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. Feels very, very extraordinary.
Why are you scared?
It tickles, man. It tickles.
You're only in Bali? I mean, Thailand was. Look at his reaction.
It tickles. Are you hitting record?
I
Is
am.
the red light going on and off?
Yeah.
Okay.
This shit is out.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
Woo. You have change?
Here, I have.
Oh, here, I have.
What do you want?
200.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna
Ở bên tôi có lúc này bazaar. Tại sao có chuyện ta tổ hai.
Does that work?
Good job, Good Samaritan.
You want me to do it, Dad? I can do it. I can get it like.
Too small?
Get a half price.
Yeah.
We'll see how good your bargaining skills are, Cody.
Let's try you out here.
Come on, Cody.
Would you like this one?
Big boy. Ash, you're supposed to bargain, Ash.
$1 is 31, so $30, $20. That's like $20.
450 is like 15 bucks. It's 14 bucks.
Yeah, it's good. Just buy
Get it down to $7, Cody. Good luck. You be the boss, Cody. Cody, you be the boss, Cody. We're gonna watch Cody bargain.
No,
No.
I pushed out. It's $28 for both.
We're Polo Night Bazaar Market. Busy, really busy. How'd you guys do?
Got it down to 1,000.
Huh?
Got it down to 1,000.
So you guys did buy it?
You guys could have got
1,000.
You could have got down to like 800.
Daddy, wait, 其实是太多。
Huh?
I dare you，我太多去了。走。是说这边没什么，还是外国好呀？我来点没啦。This is the phone on. These are yours. Once you have it on at home.
Yeah.
She got mad skills negotiating.
Ashley or Grandma?
Why?
Ask your backpack. Oh, cute.
Michelle, you can tell me.
They look real. They said they look real.
New York mà New York.
That's fine. 1.5 is good enough.
Cody, go stand next to him.
No.
Junior, go stand next to him.
No.
Let me get a picture.
Oh, that's weird. Mom, can you tell Grandma that this? Grandma doesn't know.
Grandma doesn't like.
She walked by his dad.
Looked like I was stalking him, but
You are stalking me. Hải Tao.
Oh, no.
seeing friends. No, mấy tôi chị. Mấy tôi foot massage là phải sang lên foot massage là.
Family portrait.
So we just keep going until the quiet bit my whole bird.
What?
We keep going until the roads are quiet. Bit my whole bird.
Yeah, this time that.
Drink on slow, go so fast. See you when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you won't be the light that's ready to go. Only is the sun and the stars now. Only know you love me, let it go.
Enjoying yourself, Kia?
I am, man. I'm rocking it.
All I know you've been high and you're feeling low. All you hit the road and you're missing home. All I know you love me, let it go. Staring at the ceiling in the dark. Same old empty feeling in your heart. Slow comes slow.
Daddy, I go.
Where do you go with Bud?
Why do I go to you?
Where do you go with Bud?
Why?
Why do you want to go with them?
I want to go home soon.
It's up to you, Ash. Will it fit? Where's that car, Kia? This is for Polo Uber.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone.